हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं आ गया हूँ और एमसीक्यूज ऑफ चैप्टर 1 के साथ नेशनलिज्म इन यूरोप। पहले 8 एमसीक्यूज मैंने पिछली वीडियो में कवर कर दिए थे। वो उस वीडियो का लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन पे मिल जाएगा। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं हम हमारे 9th एमसीक्यू के साथ। The French revolutionaries declared that the mission and destiny of French nation was to conquer the people of Europe, to liberate the people of Europe from despotism, to strengthen the absolute monarchies in all the countries of Europe, yadi to propagate the ideas of liberty, equality, and fraternity in every part of the world. So answer is B, to liberate the people of Europe from despotism. 10th question है हमारा. The Civil Code of 1804 in France is usually known as the French Revolutionary Code, Napoleonic Code, European Imperial Code, the French Civil Code. The answer is B, Napoleonic Code. 11th हमारा. The Napoleonic Code was exported to which of the following regions? A. England, B. Spain, C. regions under French control, या D. Poland. So answer is D, regions under French control. 12th question आ गया हमारा. The liberal nationalism stands for freedom for the individual and equality before law, preservation of autocracy and clerical privileges. See, freedom for only male members of society and equality before law, freedom only for senior citizens. So answer is A, freedom for the individual and equality before law. 13th question है. Who among the following formed the secret society called Young Italy? A. Otto von Bismarck, B. Giuseppe Mazzini, D. Metternich, या फिर D. Johann Gottfried Herder. Answer is B, Giuseppe Mazzini. Giuseppe Mazzini ने 2 यंग सोसाइटीज बनाई थी, यंग इटली इन मर्साइल्स और यंग यूरोप. ये उन्होंने बर्न में बनाई थी और इसका ये भी है, ये 1933 में बनाई थी यंग यूरोप. ये भी बुक में पिक्चर के नीचे लिख रखा है. रेवोल्यूशनरीज का टॉपिक है ना, उसी जगह पे. The term universal suffrage means the right to vote and get elected granted only to men, the right to vote for all adults, the right to vote and get elected granted exclusively to property owning men, the right to vote and get elected granted only to educated men and women. Answer is B, the right to vote for all adults. Which of the following is not a feature or belief of conservatism? A, B, C या फिर D. वीडियो स्टॉप करके एक बार पढ़ सकते हैं आप। आंसर इज सी। Conservatives proposed to return to the society of pre-revolutionary days and were against the ideas of modernization to strengthen the monarchy. The Treaty of recognized Greece as an independent nation is Vienna 1815, Constantinople 1832, Warsaw 1814, Leipzig 1813. The answer is B. ये इस चैप्टर में नहीं है, सी पार्ट का ना डी है। ए पार्ट हम आपको पिछली वीडियो में बता रखा है और लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन पे दे रखा है पिछली वीडियो का। Who said when France sneezes the rest of the Europe catches cold? ये है ड्यूक मेटरनिच। आंसर डी। ये ऑस्ट्रियन चांसलर है। What happened to Poland at the end of 18th century? Which of the following answers is correct? A, B, C या फिर D? Our answer is D. Poland was partitioned at the end of the 18th century by three great powers: Russia, Prussia, and Austria. 19th क्वेश्चन आ रहा है हमारा। Who played the leading role in the unification of Germany? A. German Emperor, formerly King of Prussia, Kaiser William I. B. Otto von Bismarck, Prussian Chief Minister. C. Johann Gottfried Herder, German philosopher. या फिर डी, ऑस्ट्रियन चांसलर ड्यूक मेटरनिच। और आंसर इज बी, ओटो वॉन बिस्मार्क, प्रूसियन चीफ मिनिस्टर। Our last question is 23 wars over 7 years with Austria, Denmark, Germany and France ended in Danish victory, Prussian victory, French victory या फिर डी, German victory. So our answer is Prussia victory. इन्हीं MCQs के साथ मैं आपसे अलविदा लेता हूँ। टाटा बाय बाय। प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल वर्क एंड प्ले। और बाकी के कुछ MCQs और बच्चे वो आपको अगली वीडियो में बता दूंगा।